Now, first open up Google Play Store, and in the search section, search for my says browser. Then install the MySays browser and you're gonna open it. First time after installing, click on the three dots, then go to settings. First time, change the search engine from MySays optimized to Google. Make sure it's Google. After finishing that, go to my search section, look for Chrome Web Store .google.com. Then once Chrome Web Store opens up, go to the search section. Make sure you are logged into your Google account so that it can allow you to install extensions. In the search extensions and themes section, search for Teneo community node. That's the one. Then you'll find them. Then click on it and then you can just install. Then after installing, we go to so make sure when you say remove from Chrome, you are sure that that's been installed. So I'm just enable this extension. Just after that, click on extensions icon, then look for Teneo community node. Click on it, then you're gonna join now. So here it will take us to the dashboard for Teneo protocol, where you will gonna create an account, or if you have an account, just gonna sign in. So when you see mobile version coming soon, just hit on the three dots at the top right, find a desktop site, click on the desktop site. Now it has now enabled us to create an account or now sign in. So since it's our first time, we're gonna just hit sign up. So sign up, just your email, password, and referral code. So for the referral code, ladies and gentlemen, so make sure to use the referral code. Just find it in the description, or you can find it in the pinned comment. So use a referral code so that you get additional bonus for being invited by me. So referral code link in the description. Then just click on login. Provide your email, password, and then log in. So it will now show you the dashboard where you'll find all the features about this DEPIN project. You will see your total points, connectivity, rewards, note uptime, everything you're gonna see it right here. So something I want to show you. I first have to make sure it's in desktop fashion. Let me confirm. Must be in desktop fashion. Yeah, and you can now see on the left panel, you can see rewards section, referrals coming from on your profile. So I'm gonna click on the rewards section. Then here you can link your wallet. Same case as we did in our desktop video version. Just follow the same process. Just ensure you have your MetaMask or OKX wallet installed on your MySafe browser. It will allow you to connect, and make sure to connect also your X, Twitter, and then Discord. Now, in case you find it challenging using your mobile phone connecting your wallet, just let me know in the comment section, and I'll be right there to help you. So yeah, you can find more information, strict connectivity tricks. I think I'm gonna claim this. Then referral rewards. Some claim that. And so you guys, just once you signed into the Teneo protocol, so you just feel free to check on everything which is provided there. And thanks for watching this video up to now. So for more information, for more updates regarding other mining DEPIN projects, just make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash that subscribe button. Also remember to like this video as well, and we're gonna see each other in the next upcoming video. Have a good day.